right, good morning, traders. Happy Thursday morning for the morning briefing. So let's take a peek at what's happened here overnight. So yesterday we did this big little short squeeze, spike up, came down to the bottom of my range. Let me turn on my ranges. You'll see we came back down and touched it. We've touched it again, skyrocketed off of it. I took a short there. I'm actually still in it. So we'll see what happens. Now, this little irrational spike here has just kind of got a little red flags going off in me of, is today going to be one of those dangerous type of trading days?
Huh?
Sometimes you just get a really good feel when you look at the market and it's bouncing off this, it's bouncing off that, it's just bouncing. Oh my gosh, it's going to be wonderful. And then sometimes you turn on the chart and you see some irrational price action that is not respecting things you believe it should be respecting. So I'm kind of putting a little bit of a danger sign out today. Now that could change, but at this moment I'm feeling like a little bit of danger. We'll see what happens. Seeming like some pretty irrational price action right now, and that's something that I pay attention to. And makes me say, maybe today's a trade smaller day. It's certainly a day to pay attention to your 1 hour chart. I think the 1 hour chart holds a lot of keys today. One of them is up here at this 35 area where I have my cannon. I have a set of eyeballs, and I wrote the word no shorts above. I'm so sorry about my voice. No shorts above there. If we get back into our red area, I really want to be cognizant of the day's low. In fact, let's go ahead and mark that. Wednesday's RTH low. Change that to white. It's informational. I've went ahead and marked a few levels this morning. I got a 30-minute fair value gap right here at this 87. This red dashed line is really important. And I got a 1 hour base right here, right next to this red line. And to me, it's kind of a, we're going to have to watch out below here. So that's going to be really important to me. So what I'm going to do here on my short is I went ahead and brought in these really tight because we're basically at POC. If for some reason this pushes right through, great. And if it bounces off here and comes back to me and gets me out of 2 of my 3 contracts, that's cool too. It's fine. I'm going to keep 1 back up here. I might really love the fact that I was short here, depending on how the day goes. So we'll see what's going to happen there. I don't mind taking contracts off. Pay yourself. So my trend right now would be balance. It just took me out of one of my contracts. But trends are hard to break, and that is really key. And if you want the easiest trading you've ever done, just stick with trend. When it's balanced, though, shorts or longs are fine. Shorts or longs are fine. It just got me out of both my contracts. Beautiful. I'll just keep my runner. But right now we're at balance. I can't give this any trend, this magnet tool. I'm just trying to get this perfectly horizontal. Why does it do that? That's interesting. Okay. So Let's look at our Asia and London stacking. So right now, London is below the Asia. I'm going to have to end this video. I just can't talk. I'm sorry, guys.
Stay green, my friends. And to learn more about our group, go to microstrader.com.